What you see here is our manufacturing facility for 5-axis machining centers, U series specifically, both VMC and HMCs. The machines can range anywhere between 20 ton to 50 ton based on the different configurations and the customer's requirement. The center is engineered for flexibility both in movement and in configuration. The spindle assembly is mounted on a cradle type tilting head, offering full motion along X, Y, and Z linear axis and rotation around the A axis, enabling the spindle to tilt for precise multi-angle machining. While the base configuration supports a wide range of high-speed and high-torque spindles, we offer customizable spindle options including renowned brands like Kessler, IBAG, Fisher, based on the customer's specific application, whether it's mold making, aerospace, or high-speed die finishing. Options include HSK, Capto tool interfaces, or even BT tool interfaces, liquid cooling, and a range of power and speed configuration to suit every production need. Paired with the spindle is our engineered C-axis rotary table, providing 360-degree rotation around the Z-axis, Z-axis. Built on a high rigidity structure with large span support bearings, this table offers both indexing and continuous contouring, crucial for full 5-axis simultaneous machining. From turbine blades to impellers to multi-phase enclosures, the C-axis ensures perfect angular alignment and surface finish, even under high cutting forces. Just like the spindle, this rotary table setup is can also be customized. This is a 1000 rotary table right now, but based on the requirements, the use cases can be 2000 1600 or even bigger. Again, emphasizing on the fact that everything is highly customizable. The spindles, one can install a Kessler spindle, IBAG, maybe Fisher, with multiple tool interfaces option, HSK, Capto, BT. Same for the rotary table, different sizes available. Contact us.